some shit on my mind. I'm trying to relax, but I keep on stressing. Rather bottle it up if you start talking, that shit's depressing. Rather be on my lonelies, cutting through town, just me and my weapon. Too many kids wanna live this life, screaming back your brethren. Like, why did you back it? Would've thought there was a trampoline. The way I made the dotty do backflips. The life I live is so savage.
Right, let's get the show on the road.
Right, it's the next week. I have a filmer now. We have goodies in here.
We do. Hang on, sorry. No, we don't. Now we do.
There you go. Loads of shit.
Here on it.
We have wheel bearings. Okay. Oh, never mind. I guess we'll start with these. We have these for the power steering lines, for the AN lines, or the fuel lines, whatever. Because, yeah, they're cool.
Cause yeah.
So, today's project, we have Wonder What we're doing.
Here on it.
Wheel bearing. Hubs.
I feel like this is definitely anything from the trolley.
hub.
Oh god. Continue.
2 more hubs. And something from Wizard of Lock to make these fit.
Oh.
CSTs. They come off the JZX, so we're going to put them. They were originally made for. Well, no, they weren't made. I brought them for the BMW when we come back from Alt Race.
Hang on, I would blank out the number plate. Not number plate, the address.
Oh yeah.
On this side.
Oh. Now we have. Yep. It's like Christmas. Follow me. Oh dear. This is. I'm guessing. Yeah, these are the front hubs. We'll do those. Could do those first. So we are currently taking caliper and carry off. Then we're going to take the disc off and take the whole hub and trailing arm with us to the press because it's easier. Yeah, I have a friend who has a press that we're going to go use. So yeah, we'll get caliper carrier, disc off. We'll unplug the ABS sensor and the brake pad wear sensor thing. And yeah, go to the press. No, no. I've got an issue already. Oh, fuck me. I need a 16mm, I don't have one. Lovely news. I'm just taking the speed sensor and brake pad indicator things off. While Zach is going to get 16 for the carrier. He has all the gear. Oh, I have no idea. There he is.
You can talk, you just can't swear. Whoa.
Is it just stuck?
I think so, yeah.
Oh look, it's come out. First try. Oh my god, fucking heavy on this one. It's down.
It's down, touchdown.
So you got new wheel bearings as well?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, crack on, mate. Surprised you haven't already eaten those. What am I gonna do if I need an MOT though? Made it. We have hubs, bearings, heater. Yes. So we're going to press these out and then take the handbrake shoes off because I'm never going to need a handbrake. Might as well save the weight. So yes, we're going to press this off or pull it off, whatever. Take all the shoe assembly off, take the handbrake cables out, take the bearing out, and press these
Press these bad boys in. Hopefully they're right. Oh yes. There was a split pin as a bolt, so that's good. The contraption we're going for.
Nothing but the best, mate.
Mate, if it works. Oh yeah, that worked.
It's getting looser.
That's in there.
Where did you get this photographer from?
It's moving!
I've run out of licks, I've run out of fucking...
Wearing you out. Oh!
There she blows!
Yes! That's one done. Looking good. Happy days. Now to do the other one. Fucking hell. Well, I should have just sacked these off. They're pretty knackered. Oh, I should probably also put this spring in here. Get that ready. There we go. So, basically, I now have to drill out the bread discs with my tool. Well, it's the moment of truth. I've waited about 7 months for this moment, for various reasons. I don't know why I'm worrying too much, because the engine doesn't even do anything. But who cares about the engine when you've got fat wheels? Now, I think it's going to be a bit difficult to get the wheel on, because I don't have the locator anymore, just the way the studs work. So, as long as we can line everything out. Oh mate, it's gonna look fucking sick. Let's see if they fit. Oh mate. Fuck yeah. With some struggle, both wheels are on, and everything to do with them is buttoned up except from this obviously horrible noise. Oh, sorry, this horrible noise. But other than that, they're both on. So I'm going to see if my little jack with a load of wood will go high enough to get these axle stands out, just to sit it on the floor to see what it looks like with the rear CSTs on. Well, it's hard enough to get the axle stands out, so. Thank you, Jordan, again for the use of the axle stands. Much appreciated. Gonna need some wood. Oh, it looks so sick. Oh, it looks so sick. Yes. Obviously the camber will be a bit different and the toe is completely random. I just whacked it on, but if we get these balloon tyres gone, get some proper skid tyres on there, not that that matters for now, but I need to run a quick little edit because this looks so sick. Goodies. Today, let me show you what we're doing. So over here, in this box of goodness, there's a clue. Oh, there's a clue. Give me this. Look at these. Oh yeah. We have the exhaust manifolds made custom for this swap from PO Performance. It looks great. And the other one, which is the one that would be giving us all the issues, is here. Put on here. How's that for a funky looking manifold? There you go. So today we're going to be fitting these. Just roll a little cinematic B-roll of these. Hopefully now you can see why I did spend like quite a lot of money on getting them made. Well, say get them made. They're on the shelf technically, but they're the only people I found that do it for this swap. For 36s and 46s that you can just buy off the shelf and they should just go on. They're meant to be really good for clearances for the steering arm. Yeah. Oh, stuff. So yeah, we're gonna find out today basically. But I need to have a clear up because from when I did the jack hub swap, there is stuff everywhere because I did it after work, so I was kind of, you know, I wanted to get it done. By the time I was done, I just wanted to go home. It was like 9 o'clock. If I don't use this, it will kill me. So Jordan, look, when you watch this, I'm using the lock. Hello there. I'm just filming where, look, where the fucking bottom arms have rubbed on the wheel.
Need some spacers on there, boy.
They had fucking spacers on already. Look.
Bigger spacers.
Oh, well, that could be a bit of a problem. What's that? Well, no, it touches the adapter.
Okay.
It's on the adapter.
What bit's on the adapter?
The end of the starter.
What, the starter ring?
Let me try and get it to focus. Right, me and Ryan did. Oh, Ryan's here, by the way. Hey, Ryan, just blind him. Yep. We did this dodgy thing to make sure that the starter. We put the starter in now, and we did this dodgy, well, just dodgy thing, just to make sure the solenoid goes in and meets up with the ring gear, or whatever, which it does.
There was flame.
Yeah, there was sparks and flames and No flames, just sparks, but yeah, we're pretty dodgy. Yeah, now we're going to see if these fit, which they probably won't. Yes, this particular problem here. Okay, well, I guess we'll have to
Manoeuvre the engine out.
yes. Oh well. Do that. We're going to see if this one fits because there's less. There's less in the way. Oh, don't tell me that don't fit either. Right, we've now jacked it up a bit, which looks like it's got in. I'm worried about that bit down there. Oh. It fits.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah, there's plenty of room to be fair.
Look at that lot up there. There's loads of room up there for your steering.
Oh yeah, there's shit tons.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, that's it up, yeah, and loads down.
Right, let's fire it up.
Yeah, look, that's down the back. Stand the back, look. Step aside.
This is why we have friends like this. If we let it down, we'll also get a chance to see the clearance on here as well. Yeah, if you go down nice and slowly.
Nice and fast.
Ah. Our hopes have been crushed. I think it's touching the steering arm down there. Because this has gone a bit. Well, I'll say no, I'll turn the steering man.
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, take, I don't even know. Yes. Oh. We're in. Oh, my torch is now.
See there?
Oh. Oh, you've started.
Who started?
Oh. Yep, that's off. So it turns out we have the wrong starter motor because the solenoid is on upside down. This starter motor is actually off the E46 7 Series, which I didn't know. It's also on the wrong side of the engine. It's meant to be on the other side of the engine, but because the solenoid is the other way up, it hits the head currently. So thanks to Pure Performance for telling me that I have the wrong one. So I've ordered the new one, but obviously it's not going to be here for a couple of weeks because it's coming from Germany. And I also need to order a slimmer steering column thing, rack thing, whatever you want to call it. Steering shaft, I don't know. But yeah, so I need to order one of those. I found someone on eBay that makes like really thin ones, so I'll have to get one of those as well. But yeah, I didn't film an outro because it was like 9 at night or whenever it was. I didn't even know when it was when we finished this. But yeah, if you liked it, like it, that'd be handy. Subscribe if you want to keep up to me and my friends bodging this car together till it makes cool noises. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Never wanted to be antisocial, but you got me feeling quite emotional. Turn my back for a second, then you're gone, girl. Took my heart, saw a bus, threw it under. You made me lose my smile, a lifetime in denial. My heart stood up on trial, so looking for a while. But now you're gone, I'm sober. You were my four-leaf clover. I just needed some closure, smiling to say it's over.
Yeah, you got my heart from the start.